Assalamualaikum, grade 1. How are you all? Today is 4 December, Friday. Today we will again do with the length topic. I will tell you how to compare length. For example, we will compare length centimeters into meters and meters to centimeters. Okay, so let's open up your books. Let's start the lecture. Open page number 103 in your books. Okay, guys, you can see on the book. Let us measure the height of trees below. Here you can see we are given 3 trees, A, B and C. These are 3 trees, and here we are given a measurement scale. Okay, so you can say we will this 0, it is starting from 0 to next onwards. So now you can see the scale is divided into very small lines. These small lines are called centimeters. So we will let's convert this scale into centimeters में हम इसको divide कर लेते हैं. Let's suppose this scale is of about 1 meter का है. So हम इसको 5 lines को 10 centimeter कर देंगे. 10 centimeter 1 2 3 4 5. So let's suppose it is 10 centimeter, again 5 20 centimeter. द बिगर लाइन पे आपने मार्क करके आपने इसको 30 सेंटीमीटर 40 10 टेंस के इंटरवल में डिवाइड कर लिया एंड 90 एंड देन द लास्ट लाइन इट शोज़ द 100 मीटर 100 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर. ओके गाइस, नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, टेक अ स्केल. एक स्केल ले लें, अपना एक स्केल ले लें लाइक दिस. आई हैव दिस स्केल राइट नाउ. दीज आर 2 sides ऑफ स्केल. वन साइड इज़ ऑफ इंचेस, सो turn it to other side and aapne centimeters and millimeters, these lines, so you have to this side of the scale. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Okay, these are 1 centimeter 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, these are the centimeters. Now what you have to do, put your book properly. aapne tree A ko is scale pe aise like this compare करना है कि ये tree कितना heighted है, where it is reaching. It is reaching to on the scale. कहाँ पे reach कर रहा है scale पे 40 centimeters तक. It is reaching to 40 centimeter तक. Okay, so आपने यहाँ पे इसको 40 centimeter को you have to say that tree A is 40 centimeter. So write tree A की height आपने centimeters में लिख देनी है. Now next, now again compare the tree B. बी ट्री को आपने स्केल के साथ कंपेयर करना है कि ये कहाँ तक स्केल में कहाँ पे आ रहा है. बी, दिस इज़ द टॉप पॉइंट ऑफ द ट्री बी एंड इट इज़ कमिंग, इट इज़ रीचिंग टिल 60. ये 60 तक आ रहा है, ये देखें 60. सो वी विल से ट्री बी इज़ 60 सेंटीमीटर हाइटेड. ओके, 60 सेंटीमीटर. सेम we will measure the tree C with this scale. So what is the height of the tree C? You can say it is about 1 meter. So 100 centimeters. After 90 it is written 100. So you can say tree C is 100 centimeter. Okay, as we already know, okay, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay guys, now what you have to do, now we write all the measurements of the trees A, B and C in centimeters. Now I will tell you how to convert centimeters into meters. Look at the board. The height of the first tree is 40 centimeter. Okay, now convert into 40 into meters. You can divide 40 divided by 100. This is the method to convert centimeters into meters. From smaller unit to bigger unit में convert करने के लिए we need to remember that we convert from smaller units to bigger units. We need to divide. Okay, this is a fact, you have to remember it. So how do we divide it? 100 is greater than 40. So what we will do, we will put a point. Okay, this is again rule of division. You will learn in grade 2 and 3. So we will put 0 here. Okay, to make the dividend greater. So 104 time will be 400. Okay, grade 1. It is a bit difficult, but you will understand. So now if you subtract 0, 0, 0 and 4, 4, 4 out of 4, 0. So you will write, we always put 0 before the point. So our answer is 0.04 centimeters. Okay, so you will write here 0.04 centimeters. We convert centimeters into meters. Again now 60 centimeters को meters में convert करें. 60 centimeters, same way you will convert 60. You can write 60 divided by 100. Put the point and put 0 here. We put point to put 0 here. This is the rule of division. 106 is 600. Subtract it and nothing is no remainder. So this is your answer 0.06. Okay, 0.06 we will write in meters. Mein centimeters mein it was 60 centimeters and in meters 0.06. Okay, the next, the height of tree C is 100 centimeters or but 100 centimeters. Now we will convert 100 centimeters into meters. It is again very easy. 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters. We will divide 100 over, sorry, no need to divide, as you know that you can say 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay guys, grade 1, if you want to divide 100 by 1, okay, look at the board. 100 centimeters को आपने convert करना है into meters में. So we will divide 100 by 1. 1 1s are 1. So there is nothing, there is 1. So we will write 0 here, and if we have no remainder, then we put both these 0. We shift both these 0 in the quotient part, and it will be 100. So it means 1 meter में 100 centimeters होते हैं. Okay, grade 1. So this is the way to convert the centimeters into meters. And again, look at the book. Here you can see tree dash is the tallest. Which tree is the tallest? Yes, tree C is the tallest. It is 1 meter and 100 centimeter. Tree dash is the shortest. Which tree is the shortest? Mean the सबसे छोटा तरीन. Shortest mean that is shorter than all others. So सबसे छोटा tree A, as you will write here, tree A is the shorter. Okay, grade 1, thank you so much. You have to do this page very carefully. Practice it on registers. Okay, and do this work on book.